guys, this is Michelle of Michele's Cozy Kitchen. If it's your first time, I would like to welcome you. If not, then welcome back. In this video, I will be making Caribbean style hot dogs, at least how we do it on the beautiful island of Nevis. So I would like you to follow along with this recipe, try it out, and drop a comment to let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's jump into the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.